You know what our trouble is? No. Our image isn't in vogue. That's all. Just a question of taste. But you mark my words, fellas, one day ugly will be in. If you just sit tight on your lily pad, each silly fad will pass. And those who sport this season's look will fall flat on their ask your mother what it's called. For fashion is a fickle thing, but just you wait and see. The day will come when we're in style, and then I guarantee out there someone's gonna love you, someone's gonna love you, warts and all. Out there, just around the corner, in amongst the border, someone's gonna fall for you, though I'm Tyrannosaurus Rexy. Some will find me sexy in my way. Though it may take time to find when you do, you'll have a ball. 'Cause out there somewhere, someone's gonna love you. Warts and all.
Do you really believe that?
Why, of course I do. Why, if I didn't, might as well jack it all in and donate my limbs to gastronomic research. I'm telling you, fellas, you got to look on the sunny side of the lily pad. The ugliest of creatures have redeeming features. So on out there, go there or shine forth.
A mouth that runs from east to west is bound to make you look depressed. It's better if the corners don't point north.
Now that's the idea. So don't go into hiding. There's no need for disguise. Even some potatoes have got nice eyes. I'm telling you, fellas, out there, someone's gonna love you. Someone's gonna love you.
Warts and all.
Now you've broken my language. Out there, in a muddy puddle, someone needs your cuddle. Those chances small. It's true, just think. Whenever you be boosting, one day you'll be roosting with a mate. Yeah, though it may take time to find a